We're going to add a layer here, a duplicate layer of pineapple, and then we're going to change the layer properties to multiply. So let's duplicate the layer. Call it pineapple copy. Let's go into the layer properties, and instead of normal, we'll do a multiply, which is going to give it better definition. And we'll cut down the opacity somewhat here. So we'll leave it at 40%. Now you can see if we toggle on and off that layer what the difference is. And now we can merge down so that that's a permanent change. Now let's look at the Hawaii, flower, and the postage. Postage is a little bit out of place, so let's click on the layer. We'll move the postage down to about here, and we'll drop the opacity so that it looks like it's a canceled postmark. That's about right. Postage should be at the top because it's going to overlay basically the entire image. Hawaii, we're ready to work on that yet. So let's import the second flower. We need to reduce this first, so let's select the flower using the magic wand tool, and we'll do a subtractive selection. So if we click out in the open area with a plus, and now we'll do a select inverse. We've selected the flower, and I'm going to scale it back. Let's accept that. And now we'll copy it over to the main image. So 2 up vertical for the arrangement. And let's just drag layer 1 into the image. That's it. We can close flower 2. Don't need to save it. Since we're in the flower 2 layer, we should name it flower 2. Let's make it active and move it over. Now it's above postage, but it should be below postage. So we'll just move it down. Now we're going to import the photograph. Copy that over. to the main image, and we're going to reduce it and tilt it. It's below posted, just for the time being. Let's go into the magic wand tool, click in the empty area, and now inverse it. So let's scale it back. I'll accept that. And now let's rotate it. And that should be below both flowers. And we can stroke it. We change the color picker to white for the foreground. We'll give it a width of about 3 pixels, white stroke. That's good. And now just deselect. Now we have some type layers to put in. So first we'll do the sky in the background. So let's click on the background. And let's change the color picker so that the foreground color is a nice sky blue. We'll go to the filter clouds, render clouds, and there's a sky. And now for the type. Y goes under postage. We need to select using the magic wand. And contiguous we don't need, so we're going to take that out and just select all of the empty pixels. Now do an inverse. So we're going to do the gradient here of 2 colors. One is green, foreground, and one is yellow. We'll go to the gradient tool, choose a horizontal gradient. We'll go from green to yellow, and all we have to do is drag down with the cursor. Well, that's not very apparent, so let's go up to normal, make it 100%. There's Y. We can stroke that too. Let's first change that green, make it a little lighter. Now deselect. And we have a type layer to put in. And we're going to write Island Paradise. The color of the type layer is going to be a nice bright green. And we'll use stencil as the font. And we will give it 72 points. See where that goes. Let's go to center justification. Let's a bit large. Let's drop the points to 48. Still a bit too large. Let's take 36. That's good. Okay, we'll go with that. So there's Island Paradise. We'll move it down a little bit and give it some definition by clicking in the layer twice. And we'll go for a bevel and emboss. Clicking that twice. And that adds a little bit of drop shadow. Okay, basically we're done. That's about it.